everyone. We are going to harvest our garlic today. Let's see what we have got. We planted this garlic in November of last year. It needs at least 7 to 8 months for them to completely mature before we harvest them. When the leaves are yellow and are dying out, we know that it is time to harvest the garlic. We planted about 50 cloves of garlic and all of them sprouted. I got a potato. Triplets. Garlic is planted in fall and is harvested in summer. I use the garlic cloves that I bought from Costco, and all of them sprouted. After removing some of the dirt from it, bundle them up into about 6 to 8 bulbs and hang it in a dry, cool and well ventilated area. Bulbs are cured when outer wrappers are papery, roots are dry and brittle, and necks are completely dry and tight. Then we can cut the roots and trim the stalks and store them in a cool and dry area, preferably in paper bags.